Ooh, alright. Alright, okay. I'll do deep dab, sure. Okay. Deep dabble. Alright. Block a pull, that's sick. Okay.
You serious?
A deep dab incoming. Let me see how deep I can do it. LOL! I have a pumpkin. Are you jealous of me?
We don't care.
Cause I have a little pumpkin. No. Oh fuck. Oh shit.
You're too young even to have a driver's license!
I can't move!
Mission
You guys don't understand. If there aren't any holes, you gotta make some holes. Like you have to, like sometimes you gotta get some things sharp. Like it doesn't matter what it is. If there's a spot for a hole, you make a hole and you fill it entirely with a trap. Then eventually the trap is gonna droop its liquid every now and then, right? And that's gonna make the things come out. That's gonna make the things come out. The green and the bony, like the solid stuff. If that creeper would have walked up to me, I swear to God. Go. Ah! What the fuck? All right. Now, what the fuck? The fuck?
I don't know whether you deserve to.
I regret nothing!
Why would anyone leave me?
Gówno ci to obchodzi! Śmiecu! Jebany! Kurwa mać!
99% of the hands you have shaken in your life have had or will have a dick in them. Right? And almost 100% sure there's also been some person that didn't wash their hands after, you know, so technically you've come via a middleman in contact with a dick.
My disappointment is immeasurable. And my day is ruined.
Fucking, okay. I don't want to do this. Oh my god! Fuck me! That hurts so much!